Postcards and Podcasts is an innovative project that provides young people with training in digital arts and technologies and connects them to their community, culture and heritage here in Wales.
The aim of the project was to create jobs for young people because there are plenty of opportunities around here for them to do training, but no jobs to go into. So I wanted to create a project where we could provide paid work opportunities and work experience for young people and give them the skills and the experience to help them move on into jobs elsewhere, or better still, here.
Without this place, I would never have had any opportunities like this. It's really pushed me to do more. They pushed me to get better opportunities. We've had collaborations with these huge companies, which I never thought I'd be able to work with. So it's been the biggest learning curve of my life, and it's pushed me in a completely different career path, which is what I'm hopefully going to do for the rest of my life, because I love it.